Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail today, and I'm pretty excited to open up this one because I think I got a pretty good deal on some American Silver Eagles. Now, condition is everything to me. I'm not one of those stackers that likes to buy Call American Eagles. If I'm going to buy American Silver Eagles, I want them to be BU and in good shape because I think about having to resell them, and I think they're going to be much easier to resell if they're in great shape. So I ordered these from one of the popular YouTube channels out there, found them on Discord, and he said he had some, and he did admit that he had some that were cull or scratched up, but I told him when I buy American Silver Eagles, or ASEs, that I like to buy them in good to great condition. So he went through, he said he found 12 of them, and that he would sell them to me at spot, plus a few bucks for shipping. I was like, wow, and sell them to me at spot, that's awesome. So I'm anxious to get in here, see what these things look like. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so got this here pretty quick. It took about 2 days to get them to me, which is pretty cool. And see if I can cut this open without damaging the goods inside. Just cut this tape off of here right there. There we go. I would expect there to be an invoice inside, so let's take a look. There's the invoice. So let's get that out of here. Pull this out of here like so. Alright, it's packaged pretty well. We know that much for sure. Got my video setting a little bit higher tonight. And seeing if that's going to work. So, looks like it's working out alright so far. Let me cut this tape off of here. And let's see what we have. Alright, wow, look at how well packaged this stuff is. I always like that. It's always a good sign when somebody takes the time to make sure things you order get to you in good condition. Usually once you get these plastics started, they usually tear open for you, but I'm having a hard time with this one for some reason. There's a challenge. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Wow. And now their package. Pretty amazing. But I do appreciate it being packaged up well. No doubt about that. So let's get this opened up here. Alright, let me see the best way to get into this. You know what? I might move over to my scissors here. So let's cut this open. Well, pretty cool. That's what we have, folks. We have another package. I think we're getting down to the bottom here. Let's open this up. See what we have. Alright. There we go. Getting ourselves some eagles out of here. Awesome. Now, I think they were 2014s and 2015s. So they weren't the new ones, which is fine. Especially at spot. Oh man, every one on its own individual package. Well, 2 of them anyway, so let's get into here. What do we have? Fit in there nice and tight. I was going to try to save these, but looks like I just ripped that one out. That's okay. So let me, we'll look at the quality of them later. Let's just get them out of here for now. Get them out of the packaging. Well, I have to tell you, this stuff is packaged up very, very well. And I picked this up from Mantic Coins. So as most of you probably know, Mantic Coins is a pretty popular YouTube channel. Has live streams, auctions, all kinds of cool things. I heard about this through another one of our fellow YouTubers. It said that he had just bought some ASCs off Mantic Coins. Went over to Discord, found him over there, sent him a personal message, which I think they call a DM, and said, hey, I heard you got some American Silver Eagles. What you got? So as I explained in the beginning, I told him I wanted stuff in good shape, and took him about a day to get back to me, but he did get back to me, and said he had some, and that he would sell them to me for $17.81 a piece. That's pretty much floored at that cost. It was like $17.81, and I didn't go check, but I'm pretty sure that's what the spot was at the time. So while right now you can't touch an American Silver Eagle for, I don't know, you might be able to get them for under $21, but over 20 for sure. So this was a fantastic deal. Did pay a couple bucks for shipping, but which does impact my overall cost for sure. But I will put that in as part of my cost per coin when I track it on my spreadsheet. Let me tell you folks, this is a fantastic deal, and so far I'm liking what I'm seeing. Alright, so here we go. That was a long process, but because they're packaged so well, took me a while to get them out of there. Alright. So let's see what we have here. Let me adjust my camera here for a second. Let me brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Alright, so there should be two different years. There's a 2015. There's a 2014. There's a 2014. There's a, let's look at them while we're seeing what they are. There's a 2014. Wow, Mantic Coins, these are impressive. For sure, for the price. Man, pretty cool. Got some pretty good reflection off the lighting there. It's 2015, 2015. Oh, there's a 2013. Make sure let me check it on the loop, because I did this the other day. I thought a 5 was a 3. No, it's a 2013. That's fine. Okay. Another 2013. Let's look at this one. A 2015. And a 2015. And a 2014. So we have two 2013s. Let's move them over here. We have 4 2014s. We're going to look at them each here individually in a minute. So that's 6. And that should leave us 6 more because I ordered 12. So we must have 6 2015s. Wow, look at those, huh? $17.81 a piece. Got them for spot. Alright, let's start with the 2013s here. Looks BU to me. And take a look at that. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So I will get my magnets out and my scale out and do a quick test on them just to make sure. Nothing against Mantic Coins. Doesn't matter who I buy them from. I check them out to make sure. So 2013s look good. So we got the 2014s. Very nice, huh? Wow, these things are in definitely BU condition. I haven't come across any scratches or blemishes yet. So Let's start the stack over here. Oops, well, I'm going to scratch them up myself if I keep doing that. All right, 2014. Very nice. Flipped it over the wrong way. Let's take a look at that one. Looks very nice. Getting a little too close to the camera, I think. Very nice, huh? Wow. All right. Another 2014. Flip it. Take a look at it. Very nice. And my final 2014. Yeah, wow, huh? Can't believe I got these for spot. Wow. And for those of you that follow me on my YouTube channel, you'll know at the end of the year, at the end of 2019, I put out a 2020 strategy, silver and gold strategy video. And in there I had said one of my key strategies for this year was to pick up more American Silver Eagles. So this is definitely in line with strategies for this year. And this makes over half a tube. And I think I've got a tube with 3 or 4, maybe just a couple in it right now. But this will definitely help to fill that tube up. So yeah, pretty cool to get some more ASEs towards the gold this year. And these things are gorgeous. He went through and hand-picked them out for me. And I have to tell you, I really appreciate that. I'm going to send him an email, tell him how much I appreciate it. I don't know if any of you have dealt with Mantic Coins. But if you haven't, you should, because these guys are putting out, selling some really, really great stuff. I watch their live streams. I have to admit, I'm not a faithful follower, but I've definitely jumped on their live streams before. They do a lot of cool stuff. And so just another great YouTube channel that we can follow out there and spend some time watching some live streams and having fun with them. So wow, these things are, heck, when I bought some from Provident Metals, I had to send them back because they had scratches on them. These don't have any scratches. So 2 2013s, 4 2014s, and 6 2015s. Well, I have to say, just a fantastic purchase. I'm glad I reached out to them, and I'm glad that he reached back and found what he could for me, told me what he had, and just sold them to me for a fantastic price. And I couldn't be happier. So I'll let him know that he sent me some high quality stuff, and I will give him a recommendation to others who may want to pick something up from them. And so yeah, I thought it'd be pretty cool to go through this together and see what I received. And so I'll go ahead and I'll just stack them all up on top now and know that we have 12 American Silver Eagles, BU condition, picked up for $17.81 a piece. And let me just do the quick math here, because I did pay $7.90 for shipping. So let's see what that works out to. So I like to include shipping in my final cost. So if I include the shipping, I got each one of these for $18.47 a piece. Any of you out there buying American Silver Eagles know that is a fantastic deal. Well, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.